Let's have some fun with the Commodore 128. Recently purchased a boxed Commodore 128. The box is in a horrible condition. It's like it has tears. It has like coffee stains. I hope it's coffee. It's been totally smashed over the years, and I love it because this computer was in this box, which means it did serve its purpose. The computer inside is actually awesome looking, thanks to this box, who kept it safe during all the years and took all this beating. So let's open it up. Let's have a look at the computer itself. So this is a beautiful machine. It's like almost excellent condition, but it's a bit dirty, so I will give this a good clean. But overall it has like some light scratching here, which I think I can polish off actually. Label is like almost perfect. So, see, it's a really good 128. I'm super excited about this. I don't have that much nostalgia about the 128. I had one of my neighboring friends who had one as a kid, which he pretty much used to type in Go 64 and use it as a Commodore 64, like perhaps 99% of the rest of the people. But it's a lovely machine, and I'm super excited to have this one. So why did I buy a second 128? I already have the 128D. Perhaps you can't really see it back here, but you've seen it before. So, do I need another C128? Yes, I do. Because if you remember my live stream for a couple of months back, I tried to install the Lumafix 128 in the 128D. And I was fiddling with this thing for hours, and the best result I could get was still worse than not having this at all. And so people have been asking about this, heard that I tested it, and they want to know my opinion about it. And I can't really say, because one thing that happens, what is different in the 128D is that it has a pretty big capacitor next to the graphic chip, which means I have to do like double extra sockets in place before the Lumafix just to clear the cap, pretty much. So I wanted a machine, a bog standard 128, to give this a proper test, so I can tell you guys if it's worth getting or not. So let's open the 128. Right, we have a ground strap here we need to remove. Okay, this is really interesting. I'll give you guys a second to see if you can spot it or not. So this is a 128 motherboard. And as far as I know, this usually came with the 6581 revision 4. But apparently this one has a revision 3 in it. I'm not sure if it ever got shipped with revision 3 sound chips or not. Or if this has been changed afterwards. It's my favorite revision though, so I'm super excited about it. And yeah, well, it does need some cleaning. Not sure if these patches are made from factory or not, perhaps to support the Swedish and Finnish character ROMs, but it looked very well made, so I don't know. But tell me guys, if anyone of you know anything about ever having a SID revision 3 in a C128, please leave a comment. Now we move on to the keyboard. Oh, time for some cleaning. Now that is a beautiful C128 we got here. So for the next part of what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna try out the Lumafix, and I will actually be doing that on a live stream on Twitch on this Wednesday. So make sure to go follow my channel and show up for that stream. I will take the VOD from that stream and cut it down a bit and give you my conclusions on YouTube as well, of course, in a couple of days afterwards. But if you want to see the whole thing and see me fiddle with it and hang out, have a chat with me or whatever, give me some good advice, please jump into my Twitch channel. I'll put links to it below, of course. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you didn't, or a thumbs down if you hated it, or drop me some foul comments about how wrong I am in my polishing. Or agree, it's up to you. Right guys, cheers, see you.